Here's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, front heated split bench seats, V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Baglier Buick GMC. Browse our inventory online or in person, or swing by our award-winning service department today. You can find us just to the south of downtown Butler on Pittsburgh Road.